You happy about going to school?
Yeah.
Your face is shiny. What's the name of your school? You know the name of your school?
I wasn't sure.
What grade are you going to?
Kindergarten.
That's right. And what's 11 times 3?
That is 33.
33. What's 11 times 7?
That's 77.
What's 10 times 7?
10 times 7.
Is what? It's too early in the morning? What's 10 times 7?
10 times 7
Is
70.
That's right, my kindergartner. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let me see your Minnie Mouse book bag. Nice. Okay, well, time to load up and go. Off. Turn off. Time to load up in the dirty car. Go ahead and take your book bag off. My baby is on the way to school. Go and strap in. So do you remember your teacher's name? Miss Vasquez.
Miss Vasquez.
Vasquez, uh-huh. That's right. You look so pretty.
And I have a friend named Nigeria that is going to school too.
Yep. And she gonna ride with us. Chloe ran out the house, so she going to school too. I can't hear you. What you saying?
I'm going to school now, and my friend can come.
Okay. Let's see, we are leaving now. We are driving to go to school. Oh, look at that school bus. Fowler Elementary. That's your school bus, Where? See, you can ride that bus to school. You want to take the bus to school? That'll be fun. Blair's school is literally across the street. But I'm not letting my baby get on the bus yet.
That's what I call the motor palace.
Look at the pretty mountains. But you want McDonald's? We'll see what kind of breakfast they got in school.